Welcome to the channel. December's here, Christmas is just around the corner, Christmas in a bun. So just wait and see what we've got for you guys coming up now. So we need the ingredients, let's go, let's get to it. What? Don't know. What? Let's try that again. Haha, that's better. This burger, as I say, is going to be absolutely packed full of Christmas joy. We've added the sausage mince to the turkey to give it a bit of juiciness, because we all know turkey can be a bit dry. So that's going to help that, and also flavour. We've got the buns, as I say in all my videos, butter your buns, guys, toast them, so much better. We've got some already cooked bacon, we're going to chuck that on to liven it up. Parsnips, we've sliced up super thin, we're going to deep fry those. We've actually added a bit of seasoning, rosemary salt. If you've not made that and you have never tried it, you're missing out. You need to make that. We're gonna have some cranberry in there. We've made 2 little patties out of stuffing. We've got some brie. We've also got some onion and some tomato. Let's get those coals going and let's get on it. Let's go. Okay, so we're gonna be cooking on my bargain of the year. I got this for £12 off Facebook Marketplace, that's my name for it, FaceBay. 12 quid, absolute bargain. 1982, and she's still going strong. Now, as I say, it's so important to toast those buns. You've got to toast those buns. Basically, what you're doing, you're sealing it. So, as well as adding flavour with the butter on there, you're actually sealing that bun. So all the juices don't soak into the bread and make it a soggy bite. It's worth doing. Doesn't take long, and you're ready to rock and roll. That's what you're looking for. So we're just going to add some butter. So we've just put the butter on so we can fry these off, these stuffing patties. Get them nice and crisp. A little bit of butter in there. That's just going to add that flavour. The smell just coming off of that is amazing. It's unbelievable. This is just one element to the burger and it's smelling amazing. That's got cranberry in as well, by the way. Cranberry and chestnut stuffing mix. We just added a little bit of boiling water, mixed it up to the consistency that I could turn it into those patties. And like I say, we just fry them off so they're nice and crispy. Man, this is gonna be good. I can smell Christmas in the air. Let's have a look. Yep, look at that, perfect. Absolutely perfect. Nice and crispy. Oh yes, Churchill. You cannot beat cooking outside, and it just shows, you know, you don't have to be stuck indoors cooking in the kitchen. You could be out in the fresh air, loving it, living the dream, as I say. Living the dream. Right, that's it, doesn't need long. Stick them to the side. Okay, so I'm using avocado oil because it's the good fats. It's also got a high heat tolerance as well, so that's why we're using that. Okay, so now it's time to get these patties on. We're going to do 2 at a time. There you go, that's what you want. You want them nice and golden brown. Just squeeze them out, get them as even as you can. We wish you a merry burger, we wish you a merry burger, we wish you a merry burger and a happy new dinner. Oh, it's all gonna be good. Okay, so as I said before, we've got this rosemary salt that we've made. We have put it in with the parsnips, but we're also gonna season this patty heavily with this rosemary salt. The reason, as I said earlier, we didn't season the meat, purely because it's turkey and it's dry and you don't want to take that moisture out, and this has got a lot of salt. So by putting these on now, you're not going to take out too much of the moisture. So, and I've got to say, this is awesome stuff. It smells amazing, absolutely tastes awesome and goes with everything. I'm loving it. It's nearly Christmas. This is going to be packed full of Christmas joy. The items we've cooked so far, apart from the rolls, we've put in the oven just on a low heat just to keep them warm. And also what we're going to do is when these are done, we're going to get the brie, put it on top, and then take that into the oven as well, just to let that melt off while we're finishing off livening up the bacon. That smell from that rosemary salt, my oh my. Okay, so we're going to add the brie. Gonna be good. Liven the bacon up. Just give that a minute or two just to liven it back up, and then we'll put that in the bun. Right, that's it. Get that in. Okay, so now shut this down. The main thing I'm looking forward to the most is to see how them bad boys taste in this burger. They're gonna add a nice bit of crunch. I prefer to put raw onion sliced nice and thin in my burgers. So that's what I do. You can fry yours if you want. It's entirely up to you. Let's get building this Christmas burger. Gotta have that cranberry sauce in this burger, guys. Burger, then we're gonna go stuffing mix. Then we're gonna go bacon, nice crispy bacon. That's where we're getting our pigs in blankets from. Then we're gonna go onion. Then we're gonna go tomato, nice and thinly sliced. Then burger. Last but not least, the crispy parsnips. Definitely crispy, sweet, got that hint of the rosemary salt in there. Look at these for a bundle of joy. Well, what can I say? Christmas dinner in a burger. This leaves only one thing to do, and you know what that is. I mean, it is a bit big. Oh mate, look at the juices coming out of that. Oh yes. Look at the layers of flavour in this bad boy. This is gonna be good. Merry Christmas. That is fucking lovely. What can I say? You can taste the sausage, you've got that tomato, you've got that brie, you've got that rosemary salt in there, the stuffing, the onion, I prefer it raw, gotta say. Make yourself one of these, guys, you are gonna love it. That has definitely made that turkey better by putting that sausage meat in there, I gotta say. You know, turkey is bland, we all know that. Well guys, I'll see you when I see you. I've got to eat this because I'm hungry. Like, honestly,
it made sense on the flavours.
Not to forget those parsnips, those crispy, crunchy parsnips in there. Awesome. Well, guys, I'll see you when I see you. Mate, that is awesome. That was a perfect idea with these. This is absolutely lovely. You just cannot go wrong. On the crunch, it's spot on. Yeah. So glad I thought of it. So many flavours. Genuinely is proper nice, flavour-wise.